Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car sunshades for babies on Amazon. It can be frustrating to look behind you in the car and see your child sweating or complain about being too hot. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Enevo Car Window Shade. If you want to protect your child from harmful sun rays, the Enevo Car Window Shade is worth a look. Using distinct shading, this cover rids the area of roughly 97% of ultraviolet radiation. It does so by blending high-quality mesh layers to offer shade without foregoing visibility. It uses natural static cling, so you don't have to worry about chemical adherence. Worried about glare from other windows? This set comes with 4 covers so you can use it on multiple windows. Since this cover fits onto just about any car window, you needn't worry about compatibility. To install it, just clean and dry the window. Place the cover and apply even, smooth pressure. From there, it holds steadily in place, offering noteworthy protection from both heat and sunlight. However, keep in mind that the frames may break when it's being folded. It may also be too large on the rear window on some passenger vehicles. Number 2. Kinder Fluff Car Window Sunshades. If you're on the hunt for complete sun protection for your little one, the Kinder Fluff Car Window Sunshades are a terrific selection. While they are somewhat transparent, they are still very dark. This makes it easy for you and your baby to see without compromising protection from solar rays. By using a film that pairs with the mesh structure, these shades are durable and functional. They fit onto any window, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. They are specifically designed to absorb UV radiation, thereby protecting the child from overheating or sunburn. You can install them quickly without adherents or tools. In between uses, you can fold them down to a compact form. Ideal for long rides on sunny days, these car shades are a fantastic option overall. Number 3. Gommert Car Side Window Sunshade. The first thing you'll like about this car sunshade is that it's easy to install. Thanks to its 5 strong magnets, it can be easily mounted on car window frames made of steel. It also has 4 suction cups that ensure it attaches to a car window securely. Its polyester fabric blocks most of the sunlight and keeps the backseat cool. You don't have to remove the sunshade to roll the window up and down, it will stay in place. It comes with a built-in strap you can use to tie it after you're done using it. However, be sure to check your car's windows before purchasing it. It only works for metal-framed windows. If the metal frame is covered with rubber or plastic, the magnets won't work. There have also been a few complaints that its magnets are weak. Number 4. Munchkin Bricka Magnetic Stretch to Fit Sunshade. At times, it can be hard to get sunshades to stick to the window. Munchkin found a solution to that and made this magnetic sunshade. It's easy to put on the window and remove, and it stays in place during the journey. Once you shut the door, your child can't remove it. Also, if you want some breeze, you can roll the windows up and down without worrying about the sunshade falling off. However, for it to work perfectly, your car's door frame must be magnetic. You can use a household magnet to check if the door frame is magnetic. With this shade, car journeys will feel much safer. It blocks out dangerous UVA and UVB rays and prevents glare. However, there have been complaints that it's only ideal for small windows. It also lets in a significant amount of sunlight. Number 5. Shade Socks Universal Baby Sun Shade. No matter how old your kids are, this universal car shade will protect them from the harsh sun. It covers the entire window, not just a little patch of glass. Also, because it's made of stretchy nylon material, it is easy to install and fits nearly all car models. It has an easy installation process. You simply place it over the window and frame. It stays secure and provides complete sun protection. The best thing is, you don't have to remove it to roll down the windows. Shade Socks sells 2 sun shades in a set, so you can cover both backseat windows. The car shade will protect your kids against sunburn, glare, and UV rays. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.